Moving towards next principle given by Fayol, principle of equity. This principle emphasizes on the justice in the behavior of managers toward workers. Equity means no discrimination against anyone on account of sex, on account of religion, language, caste, belief, nationality, etc. Now, say for example, many times in case of wages, the male workers are getting more wages than the female one. So there is a discrimination is there. So according to Fayol, this principle state that there should be no discrimination on the basis of the following given things, last two lines, that is against sex, religion, language, caste, belief or nationality. Actually, this principle emphasizes on that the employees should satisfied when they are working in any organization, and this principle motivates the employees and boost up their morale. So that is very important principle of equity. Moving towards the next principle, stability of personnel. Employees turnover should be minimized to maintain organizational efficiency. That is very important. I read out the line again. Employees turnover should be minimized to maintain organizational efficiency. Now, what is the meaning of turnover here? Don't confuse with this word turnover. It doesn't mean sales. Over here, turnover means the employees are going to quit the organization due to any reason. So, employees turnover should be minimized to maintain organizational efficiency. According to Fayol, person should be kept at a post or position for a minimum fixed tenure. They should have stability of tenure, means a minimum time period should be there that the person should every now and then, not the organization, they should not change employees frequently. What will happen every time whenever the new employee will join the organization, and then the management people have to make them understand the system of working over there. So many problems are there with the new employees. So it will definitely increase the expense of organization, and definitely the employee also need a little time to understand the work environment and to give results. So that is very important. The stability of person, that a minimum time period should be there, and the minimum time period should be given to employees to prove their efficiency. So this principle especially focus on improving efficiency of employees. Now moving towards the next one, Fayol principle of management. We are starting with now initiative. Another important one, you can see on picture over there, one person is taking initiative. You can see over there, the person is taking initiative. So according to Fayol, initiative means taking the first step with self-motivation. That is very important, self-motivation. A good company should have an employee suggestion system, whereby suggestions should be they should invite employees for the suggestion, and if the employee is giving a good suggestion, then they should be rewarded. That is very important, because when they are taking initiative, so some kind of reward should be given to that employee. Now, what is the main aim of this principle, or the focus of this principle initiative? That is, it develop the belongingness in employees, because the job of taking decision is of top level management, and when they invite employees to give their suggestion, definitely they feel connected to the organization. Moving toward the last principle given by Fayol, that is the spirit de crop. You can see the diagram. It is all about teamwork. Diagram is showing team. So management should promote a team spirit of unity and harmony among employees. So according to Fayol, Management should promote teamwork, especially in large organizations, because otherwise objective would be difficult to realize. If teamwork is not there, then it's impossible, because earlier also we have discussed this part, that in an organization number of people are working, so teamwork is required, coordination, cooperation is required. We have discussed this thing earlier also. So just see on screen. A manager should replace I with we in all his conversation with workers to foster team spirit. This will give rise to a spirit of mutual trust and belongingness among team members. So the entire organization, right from the top to the bottom, should work as a team. So what is the focus of this principle? That is to develop team spirit and to achieve group goal, because when they are working in team, then only that organization goal can be achieved. So here we have finished with all the 14 principles given by Fayol, and these principles are very very important from your board point of view. So that's it, we have finished it up. Thank you, students.